So a short review, because I haven't done one in an age, principally because most of my stuff doesn't really need reviewing. I buy old tongs and old hammers and refurb them, and I can't really give myself a review on the stuff I make. I give it 10 out of 10 naturally. But these are, I think, STIHL, they're called. I'm probably mispronouncing that, but there you go, just in case I am saying it all wrong. STIHL Dynamic BT. I wanted a set of headphones that I could listen to my music on. I've been putting earbuds in underneath the underneath the headphones, and the pressure of the headphones on the cables of the earbuds slipping out. Having these going underneath as well. The headphones weren't working very well. Also, they were becoming increasingly painful to wear for long periods of time. So I finally thought, well, I'll bite the bullet and I'll buy a set of Bluetooth headphones so I can listen to music as I'm going. I had a look around and I found the prices were a bit scary, going up to sort of £350 I found a few places, and I came across these STIHL ones for £60. They were rated at the same decibels as standard workshop headphones, so I thought I'd give it a try. The website seems particularly geared towards folk that are working in woodlands and gardens and so on, but I thought, well, we'll give it a punt and we'll see how we go. And I've found them so far be superb. I was a little nervous because we've got a plastic headband across there, and I've snapped a couple of those in the past, but this seems really robust and very well made. A nice bit of, I don't know, gel or something there on the top so it doesn't hurt your head, but I tend to wear my woolly hat most of the time, all year round, so that wasn't too much of a problem. The headphones themselves are nice and clear, or clear enough for me. I'm no great musician, but I enjoy my music and I can hear it well enough through here, and I can control the volume and the playlist by these buttons here and turn it on and off. Another nice touch is linked up with a smartphone. If your phone goes, you can answer it with these on and be heard. Where is it? There it is, there's a little mic there, and I've not had people complaining that I sound like I'm in an airport or airplane toilet or anything like that. They can hear me well enough. My only real gripe with it would be is, given that it's some sort of outdoorsy or workshop headphone set, is all of the inputs didn't have any sort of protection. There was no jacks to push in there to protect it from the air and the elements of a hazardous workshop or outside area. But apart from that, fantastic for the money. It seems well priced, like I say, mid-60s I think they cost me. Delivery was prompt, packaging was good. They even came in a bag ready to go, but I tend to use a bag for my old ones now just to keep the dust off them if I ever need them. They're comfortable to wear, easily adjustable, and they last, well, I've had them last about 2 or 3 days off the battery, playing about 5-6 hours worth of music each day, and then just leave them on charge and come back the next day and they're all sorted. So well worth the money in my opinion. 9 out of 10, but I've given it a 9.5 out of 10 if it had some sort of jacks in there, and no 10 out of 10 just because I'm stingy. But really solid performing and working headphones that have taken the knocks and smashes of about a year's worth of abuse in the workshop. So worth your money, and I shall see now if the van brace I'm doing another film on has cooled down.